COMEX copper closed higher at yesterday's settlement. Hi, Carol from ScrapMonster here with your daily scrap metal market briefing for Tuesday, February 24th, 2026. All prices reflect yesterday's close. On COMEX, copper settled higher on the session. On the LME, 3-month copper also closed firmer per ton. On the ScrapMonster Price Index, copper scrap followed that move. Number 1, copper wire and tubing. Number 2, copper wire and tubing and bare bright each increased by 11 cents per pound. Insulated copper grades gained 3 cents per pound, while copper radiators rose by 4 cents. Most secondary copper units edged higher by 1 to 2 cents. Moving on to aluminum. Aluminum futures showed limited movement at settlement. On the ScrapMonster Price Index, aluminum scrap was flat. UBC 6063 extrusions and old cast recorded no change. Now brass and bronze. Brass derives from copper and zinc benchmarks, and with copper stronger, brass followed modestly. On the ScrapMonster Price Index, red brass and yellow brass increased by 3 cents per pound. Other brass radiator categories were mostly steady. On stainless, 304 and 316 stainless grades were flat. And on the steel side, ferrous benchmarks showed no meaningful daily shift. On the ScrapMonster Price Index, number 1 HMS and shredded auto scrap held steady. The movement appears consistent with routine positioning following copper's benchmark firmness. With copper up 11 cents on primary grades, evaluate whether you're selling into strength or holding for further confirmation from futures momentum. Are you seeing copper bids adjust today? Comment below and let me know. Overall, non-ferrous edged higher, led by copper's 11 cent per pound gain, while aluminum and ferrous categories remained flat on the index. Prices reflect North American prior date closing levels and can vary by region and load quality. For real-time prices and full-grade matrix and tools, visit ScrapMonster.com.